Danicast fans, you ever hear a story that you just can't get out of your...
Looks like...
Hey, over here!
Come on out, Spider-Man.
Hey, right here.
What? Not you. My cat. Named after the real Spider-Man. Bunch of jerks broke in here and robbed my place. Think they took Spider-Man too.
That's awful. You see where they went?
Overheard them say they're hitting the power substation. Couple blocks over.
I'll find them. And your cat.
Sure, kid. Guess it can't hurt. Spider-Man, please be here.
Should probably call Genki when I get there. Why would these dudes go to a power station? There's my way in. Genki, I need help. Some dudes robbed Teo's bodega, then headed to the closest power station.
Weird. You got my full attention. Watching through your live stream.
They're shooting transformers? Okay.
How many of these you gotta break? Wasn't like an electrician? Just keep shooting and cutting wires. Get the job done. Wasn't looking for orders, macho man.
Here, take
Reasonably
5.
sure. Hey, if we knock out more than one, it'll take the cops longer to catch on. I've never been part of a plan like this. That's because you've been working small time. This kind of work's got a long-term opportunity. One big score and I'm out of here. City's a trash heap, but it's my trash heap. Being out in the open makes me nervous. Hold the ball!
Tell the folks who robbed Teo's place, where's Spider-Man? Where is Spider-Man? Oh, man, that sounds crazy.
Boss said no one would figure out what we're doing here! Oh man, this job is so not worth it!
What? You guys hate Christmas lights or something?
This station's output is down to 64%. Maybe you can find a backup.
Good thinking on the backup systems. You're good at this hero stuff.
Nah, I'm just a spectator.
Just need to find Teo's cat. Spider-Man! Wait! Wait! Spider-Man went down the elevator shaft. Right! I'm coming for you, Spider-Man. Hang tight. Spider-Man, wait! Ugh.
I think I know what these dudes want. There's a bank on this block. No power means no security.
So if we fix the power, we're preventing a bank heist?
Stopping crime before it begins. In a world where only 2 men can see the future, only they can stop it.
All right, gotta focus. Bet you didn't see that coming.
Why does the boss want to set up here of all places?
Look outside. Holland's a mess right now. Boss knows an opportunity when he sees one. How'd you get picked for this job? I worked for this guy before. You? Friend of a friend. Thought it was a dream come true when he picked me. He's the kind that gets things done. Remind me to tell you about the job I pulled for him over in Brooklyn. Way back when he was first stuck. What was that? What's that? There's enough power in this place to fry you like an oyster if you ain't careful.
Fry me? Like an oyster? Who fries oysters?
What? People! People fry oysters. They're friggin' delicious.
That'll leave a mark.
Yeah, sure, fried oysters. Get a load of this guy.
Hate having downtime.
Can't stop thinking about all my bad life choices. I think I heard something.
Harder and harder for an honest criminal to make a buck in this town.
Must have been nothing. Hate having downtime. Can't stop thinking about all my bad life choices.
Wish it was always this easy.
Stomach's grumbling. Should have packed a sandwich. Hear that? Gotta move to Florida or something. Damn it! I just stepped in web! What was that noise? Spider-Man? I got a bullet with his name on it! Spider-Man?
Out for the count. Sounds like someone's paying them. Any idea who? What?
So, output's at 0.
I got that.
Pulling up emergency lights. Okay. You can restore power if you charge the other backups.
On it. Man, how many people does it take to bust a power station?
Emergency lights? I thought you did. Nah. Could be one of the stations. Keep an eye on it.
Knew I could do it.
Power's already out. Why we gotta keep cutting? To make sure it's done. You want to half-ass a job for this guy?
No. Good point.
Man, I should have gone to dental school. Once we get our cut, you go to 7 dental schools.
Another one bites the
New
dust.
York, land of opportunity. This beats like the movies on the corner, I guess.
Gotta watch out for spiders, man.
One big score and I'm out of here.
Gotta be quicker than that. I need to find the backup systems. Okay, gotta push ahead. Find the main generator. Hope I can fix it. These guys keep talking about their boss. Any idea who it is?
Dude, a lot of people want to rob banks.
It was worth a try. There's the main breaker. Gotta clear out these guys. Then I can figure out how to fix it.
Smoke on forever. I got ambitions.
Stay sharp, boys. Someone's trying to undo our good work.
Of course there is. My word. Our boss has got too many enemies.
Yeah, but he beats them every time.
Not all of them. They're Spider-Man.
Sounds like whoever planned the heist knows Spider-Man. And not in a good way.
Has to be the other one. I don't have that many enemies.
Yet.
Great optimism, bro.
Oh, why's it gotta be so damn cold? You don't think Spider-Man's the one messing with you, right?
Why would you jump to that?
Cuz. Boss hates him. Hope the bug I think Spider-Man hates him right back.
Doesn't matter. We got a job. We'll finish it.
Swear this winter's colder than last. Man, I should have gone to dental school. Once we get our cut, you can go to 7 dental schools. Hate New York winters. Haven't felt my toes in a week. The hell was that? Webs! Keep alert for Spider-Man! Harder and harder for an honest criminal to make a buck in this town. We'll get him! I need backup here! Called. Forever, Spider-Man!
Another win for Spider-Man.
Gonna find you!
Huh. Easier than I thought. Time to check the breaker. No good. Board's not powered. Need a generator. Here we go. Generator's on. I don't think it's hooked up. Connection solid. Power should be rerouted. Time to flip the breaker. Let there be...
What was that noise?
Hey, kitty, it's okay.
Spider-Man?
Huh? You can't have him! Don't you know it's rude to interrupt the bonding process?
Stay out of my business, freak show!
Got something for you!
Down, kid!
You're dead, bug!
Tell me who planned the bank robbery. Give me the cat, and I'll let you go. Deal?
No deal! Don't let him leave here!
Good. Seriously, guys? Give up your boss. I'll figure it out eventually.
Ha! You think we're scared of you? He's 10 times worse!
It's a bad day to mess with us! You're in for some pain!
What do you mean your boss is worse? I'm mopping the floor with you.
You ain't the real Spider-Man!
Got a shot!
Take that!
You ain't no Spider-Man!
Down for the breaker. For real this time. Let's get out of here, Spider-Man. Hey, man. Power restored, bank heist stopped, Spider-Man the cat saved.
All in a day's great work. I'm posting in the FNSM app about these guys and their boss. Maybe we can get leads on who we're dealing with. Call you soon.
Spider-Man! Happy holidays! Wave to my grandma.
Hey, Teo. Got a surprise for you.
Oh, yeah? What's that? Spider-Man! Oh! Did you have an adventure? Oh, you almost gave Daddy a heart attack. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did. Good work, other Spider-Man. Thanks.
Yeah. Of course. Hey, man. Any leads on who our cat thieves were working for?
I'm chasing down a couple of problems that might be connected. Robberies on Harlem's commercial strip, and something going down at Feast North. I'll post in the app when I know more.
Cool. Thanks, dude.
Hey, man.
Feels like everyone in Harlem's staring at me. Can't feel too bad. From the
Ho, ho, ho! We've got our first caller coming down the chimney. You're live and festive on Just the Facts with J. Jonah Jameson.
Season's greetings, Jonah. I just want to get your thoughts on Roxxon's new development in Harlem. Great for jobs, or just wiping out small businesses?
So glad you asked, caller. Without question, Roxxon Plaza is American ingenuity at its finest. Green energy for the tree huggers. Groundbreaking new tech for Wall Street, and jobs for the locals. Look, we faced a terrible tragedy with last year's Devil's Breath crisis. It's taken time to rebuild, but Roxxon stepped up to the plate, invested millions creating a state-of-the-art facility in a neighborhood that, let's face it, wasn't exactly booming. The way I see it, Roxxon Plaza's a Christmas gift for the people of Harlem and all of New York. I understand some folks fear change, but it's a good thing. Take it from J. Jonah Jameson. Jared, not 3 sugars, not 1 sugar! Tahoo! Sugars! For 40 years, it's been Tahoo! Sugars! Never do this to me again!
Miles, we still meeting today? Never got a text back from you.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. I've been wrapped up in my own stuff. But I'm free now. Where?
Sweet. 78th and West End.
78? By the Science Center? Why there?
You'll see. Don't be late.
78th and West End. Guess I'll find out what...
Huh? Try that on me! This is gonna hurt! You're done, kid!
You're smaller than the other guy!
He's mine! You're dead!
I can see the headlines. Spider-Man, present protector. Or something less corny. You ever need...
Got some moves!
FYI, app users reported an assault happening near you.
Hey, Molasses! Up here! Fire escape's shakier than it used to be. Careful on the way up.
So... this is why you wanted to meet here.
Almost bailed you took so long. Give me a hand, it's stuck.
Time capsule's seen better days.
You remember the combination?
Yeah, it's, Man, it's,
You kidding me? Y'all gotta start remembering this code. Not always gonna be around to tell you.
We'll remember.
Well, remember. Yeah. Good. Now, what are you gonna put inside this bad boy?
Secret time capsule. Only Miles and I know.
Boom! That's right. Keep it secret, keep it safe.
Hey, Rick. You gonna take that job at Roxxon or what?
Why? You gonna take it if I don't?
Maybe. Waiting to see the offer.
Okay, competition, eh? Well, they're talking a good game. Want me to, lead their clean energy group. And you know me.
Clean power, save the world!
I love my nerdy fan club. Oh, speaking of the devil, Roxxon. Back in a sec.
You remember the code, right?
The Fibonacci sequence.
Nice. A reward.
I mean, our energy converter was pretty fire.
Truth. You think it's still on display at the Science Center?
Hope so. Wow. Look at this. Goober Central. Rick looking suave as ever, though.
Yeah.
Something going on with him? You guys fight or something?
No. No fight.
Phin,
It's fine.
why do we really lose touch?
Crap, now I'm late. I gotta go.
Hey, I feel like we both have stuff we're not sharing. Next time we hang, no secrets. Okay?
Yeah. Maybe. If you're on time. See you soon, short stuff.
You know I'm taller than you now, right?
Not in here.
Middle school graduation was bittersweet. Phin went to Midtown High, but I got into Brooklyn Vision. Man, it was so good to see Phin. I should find the other time capsules we hid. But a little later. I gotta get home from Mom's rally. Good time to use this unlimited ride pass.
phone, check. Subway card, check. You got the house key?
Yeah, I got it.
Come on! We're gonna be late! Hey! Dude, I am so filling your suit with snow. Are you still wearing your suit?
Yeah, just in case.
It's gonna be fine. See, this is my favorite part of living in Harlem. Pop-up street fair, best food in the city, awesome music.
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
What do you think about Rio Morales?
It's still hard to think of Mom as a politician. She's been a teacher my whole life.
Similar skill sets, right? Corralling people, educating them, making sure they don't throw things at each other.
Uncle Aaron, didn't expect to see you here.
I'll clear out before your mom sees me. Who's this?
It's my friend Genki. He's helping me with my, spider project.
Uh-huh. You look out for my nephew. You hear?
I'll try, but he doesn't make it easy.
I'm standing right here.
Enjoy your mom's speech, kid.
Dude, you told him? Figured it out. Maybe when we get home.
Good luck, Miss Morales.
Thank you, Tim.
Look, Roxxon's really into the constant vigilance thing, huh?
For real.
Buenas noches, vecinos. Do you remember what we lost when Roxxon bulldozed this block?
Hey, you okay?
Let me remind you.
Yeah, it's just last time we did one of these, my bad.
The best hand-rolled ice cream in New York City. And Junipero's daycare.
It'll be okay, man. Your mom's got people looking out for her.
St. Teresa's Church, whose choir built the
Plus,
song
now you're Spider.
Even now, Roxxon is transporting Newform, its experimental fuel, across the city. But they won't tell us the risks.
This message is for Roxxon. The man you answer to, Simon Krieger, is a killer. This plaza is a monument to everything he's done. I won't let it open. The underground will stop it.
We've got a situation here.
Everyone, stay calm!
Nowhere to run!
Weapons up!
They need you. I'll help your mom.
Stay back! I mean it!
I got you.
Let's go!
The Tinker said focus on Roxxon! This isn't about you, Spider-Man!
Gonna wreck you, Spider-Man!
You attacked the wrong route. Actually, you take this.
You mess with Get him down here! Opening fire!
We'll kill you. I stopped you at the subway. I'll do it again.
We'll end you!
Miles, we made it home. Not just driving your mom to the hospital.
What? Is she okay?
She hurt her arm when she fell. Don't worry, we're taking care of her. What about you? the Underground doing?
This attack doesn't make sense. I thought they wanted new form, but there isn't any here. Have to figure out the Tinkerer's next move.
Okay. I'm logging into your analytics. I'll help how I can.
Good idea. And Genki, thanks for helping my mom.
Anytime, man.
I'm gonna stop you and your glow stick guns. You're dead.
Why are you not such a mistake, Spider-Man?
What was that?
Miles! Gracias a Dios. Where are you?
I'm at home, but I can come to the hospital.
No, stay where it's safe.
But you're hurt. What if something happens to you while I'm not there?
Mijo, this isn't like City Hall. We're all okay. You stay where it's safe. Entiende? I'll be back soon. And I'll even let you sign my cast.
Okay, Ma. Nos vemos en casa.
Te quiero.
Uncle Aaron, you okay?
I'm alright. I tried to reach you and your mom. Where are you now?
I'm headed to Braithwaite Bridge. There was an explosion.
Alright. But if Roxxon shows up, you run. Got it? They'll look for some of the blame for all this, and it won't just be the Tinkerer.
Okay. I'll be careful. But that explosion looked bad. I gotta hurry.
Looks like the plaza was just a warm-up.
Or a distraction.
Go, go, go! Stop!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Let's not shoot each other, all right?
We're after the new form. Ignore everything else. Get rid of him. Then grab as much as you can carry!
What the hell are you doing?
No.
He's destabilizing it. Get down!
Keep him busy.
Miles, I saw the explosion. Are you okay?
I'm fine. But did you see? The Tinkerer. Phin.
Oh my God.
I saw her today. If I just put everything together.
This is not your fault, man.
I was so happy to see her. I wasn't paying attention. I have to pay attention. The bridge is coming down.
The explosion was your fault! That wasn't our plan!
The bridge is falling! We need to leave! Now! Never should have put on that now!
People are trapped over there. I gotta finish this so I can help those people.
I gotta get people off the bridge before it comes down. Come on. The bus! Everybody get out! Everybody off! Don't worry, I got you! No!
Thank you.
Man!
Those people! They're trapped!
I've got an idea. Gotta get it stable. Okay. I need something they can cross. No! I can stop this! Just a little closer! Just a little! No! I did this. My powers. I made it explode. Everyone's safe. After the explosion, the bridge started
You've got eyes on the other Spider-Man. Please advise.
What's going on?
I have no idea.
Copy.
No! No, I'm not your enemy.
What are you doing? He saved us!
Hey, leave him alone!
I'm recording this! We're watching!
Put that phone away now! I said put that phone away now!
Hey, get your hands off me!
Leave now! This is your last warning!
I saved them!
What the hell? Where'd he go?
Oh my God. Did he go over?
Did they push him?
What happened to him?
Help him.
What happened to Roxxon being here for us? They were gonna shoot me. They didn't even listen.
Are you okay?
I don't know.
Here today is Simon Krieger, discussing the destruction of Braithwaite Bridge.
Look, I want to root for the new Spider-Man, but his, what did you call it? Bioelectricity?
You want breakfast?
Well, that cost us Roxxon property, and it destroyed a bridge.
This is
Roxxon
messed
had
up.
nearly dealt
That's
with
not
the
what
underground
happened.
when-
Phin's the Tinkerer. She stole the new form. No idea why. And it's my fault the bridge blew up.
No, it's not.
I'm headed to the campaign headquarters. You boys need anything while I'm out? I could pick up dulce de coco.
I thought you'd quit after last night.
Why would I quit? I said I'd fight for my home. I meant it.
You could have died.
Our family doesn't give up. You know that.
Mom. Dulce de coco would be great. If you don't mind.
I don't mind.
When I got powers, and I thought I would be able to fix anything. Do anything that Spider-Man does.
Whenever you say Spider-Man, you always mean the other one. You're Spider-Man. You can fix this. Your way.
What's up, New York?
Hey man, things are big time now, huh? Feels like people need friendly neighborhood now more than ever.
We gotta think of a shorter name. All the good apps are one word.
Miles, finally got through.
Oh, hey Pete. What's going on?
I saw the news. It was in Simkarian, so either a bridge exploded or a bagel was fumigated, which doesn't make any sense in context. Either way, I'm looking at flights. I can be back tomorrow night.
No, don't do that. It's okay. I figured out who's responsible. And I'm gonna stop them, I promise.
Okay, I trust you. But if you need help, I'll be on the first plane home. Otherwise, I'll see you when I get back in a few weeks, okay?
Yeah, okay. Thanks. And good luck learning some Karian.
Why are there 7 different words for bathroom?